In this video, I will show you how to download SHAREit application to your Samsung Smart TV. This is very easy. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel. So if you want to download SHAREit application to your Samsung Smart TV, this is what you can do. On your Samsung Smart TV, you are going to try to locate the App Store. As you can see on my screen here, here's my own App Store. So you come over to your App Store and you can go straight to the search bar where we're going to be searching for the SHAREit application. So SHAREit application is an application that can help you share files from one smart TV to another or from your smart TV to your smartphone. So it's a very useful application that you must have on your Samsung Smart TV. So you come over to your App Store on your Samsung Smart TV, and just go ahead and search for SHAREit. And search SHAREit, the App Store is going to show us the application that we can download to our Android or Samsung Smart TV. So here's the application. You just click on it and you have the download button. And from there, you can download SHAREit to your Samsung Smart TV. It's a very, very easy process. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you found this video helpful.